When it comes to 3D scanning services in Lucknow, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading provider in the region. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise in the field, they offer high-quality scanning solutions for various industries. 3D scanning is a process of capturing the physical dimensions and characteristics of an object or space and converting it into a digital model. This technology has revolutionized many industries including manufacturing, architecture, healthcare, and entertainment. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of accuracy and precision in 3D scanning. Their team of skilled professionals uses advanced scanning equipment to capture even the smallest details of an object or space. Whether it's a small component or a large building, they have the capability to scan it with utmost precision. They also offer a wide range of scanning services, including reverse engineering, quality control inspection, and dimensional analysis. Another advantage of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for 3D scanning services is their expertise in the field. They have years of experience working with diverse clients and understanding their unique requirements. Their team of professionals not only provides scanning services, but also offers valuable insights and recommendations based on the scanned data. This helps clients make informed decisions and optimize their processes. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a reliable provider of 3D scanning services in Lucknow. With their advanced technology and skilled professionals, they offer accurate and efficient scanning solutions for various industries. Whether it's reverse engineering, quality control inspection, or dimensional analysis, they have the expertise to meet the unique requirements of their clients. By choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for 3D scanning services, businesses can enhance their productivity, save time, and make informed decisions based on accurate data. When it comes to 3D scanning services in Lucknow, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the leading provider in the region. With their advanced technology and expertise, they offer high-quality scanning solutions for various industries. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for 3D scanning services is their team of highly skilled professionals. They have a team of experts who are trained in using the latest scanning equipment and software. This ensures that the scanning process is carried out with utmost precision and accuracy. The team at Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is also well-versed in understanding the unique requirements of different industries and can tailor their scanning services to meet specific needs. In addition to their technical expertise, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also offers a wide range of scanning services. Whether you need to scan small objects or large-scale structures, they have the capabilities to handle projects of all